Hello, welcome and welcome back to Clauda's Kitchen. Bienvenue à Clauda's Kitchen. Today I will show you how I make the best eggplant legume with smoked herring. M'pral montre aujourd'hui qui j'en moi fait yon légume berigène avec hareng so. Stick around. Okay, like we said, we're going to make legume berigène with smoked herring. Ça c'est hareng. This is the smoked herring. I did go ahead and wash everything with lemon and water, and then I added some Epis green seasoning in it, tomato, and the meat. Right now I washed my spinach and watercress already. Moi getan lave epina mwen avec cresson mwen deja, mwen mete yo nan chaudière. And right now I'm adding the green cabbage. Ma mette chou vert lan nan légume nan. Parce que la bali en bon tiyaman la fait légume nan vin pile. And I did go ahead and wash and peeled my eggplant. Mwen getan lave et kale eggplant berigène mwen. So right now I'm adding it on in the pot. Mwen getan coupe berigène nan kale li et puis mwen mette nan chaudière. Making sure everything is well sit in there. We're adding a little bit of oil. You can add the oil of your choice. Moi mette un petit l'huile, a little bit of tomato paste. See, like the amount, the measurement, it's up to you. Moi mette un petit pat tomate la dani, un petit l'huile pour nous tout faire ensemble. Nan berigène nan pou l'huile lan ka bien cuit a pat tomate lan. And we're covering it up with aluminum foil. Nou couvrir la avec papier aluminium. I'm making sure the legume, the berigène, it's all sealed in with the aluminum foil. Make sure berigène chaudière couvri avec et papier aluminium nan bien couvri pour vent pas sorti nan chaudière. So we're making sure everything is sealed up in there because we don't want any air in and out. So we're making sure of that. And then we're putting the cover on top of it. No mette couvert lan sous tête berigène lan. This is after about 45 to 50 minutes. I did remove the aluminum foil in the first clip and I lost it. That's why you don't see where I did it. Moi te gen tan détouffer, moi retire papier aluminium nan, but moi perdi clip lan ki fait ou pa wè li. Ki fait ou pa wè li mte détouffer lan. Mais ça c'est après 45 à 50 minutes après moi te touffé berigène nan. Et puis this is what we have. Right now, I'm about to remove all the meat that I put in there in the beginning. I'm leaving the smoked herring because like I want it to be crushed in there for more taste, for the taste to come out more powerful. Ma retire viande yo kounya parce que nous pral pile berigène nan, nous pral pile légumes nan. So m'pa vle pou viande yo krasé, ma retire viande yo. Mais m'a quitté hareng so moi te mette la dan nan de quoi que pour goût hareng so pour nous krasé la dan pour goût hareng so ka pi fort nan légumes nan. All right, if it's the first time you seeing this video, or if it's the first time you come across my channel, please give the video a thumbs up if you like it, and I'm pretty sure you would. And subscribe to the channel because I will be posting many beautiful videos that will help you, that will come from my kitchen to yours. I know it will help you in your own kitchen. Please subscribe, like the video, give the video a thumbs up, share. I'm pretty sure there's someone that will appreciate this video right here. Abonne à channel là. Sou konnen yon moun qui ta reme video sa, voye l bali, partage video an, et puis put on your notification bell on. Mette bell ou on, notification bell ou on, de quoi, like when I post a video, you will be the first one to get notified. Right now, I'm smashing everything with the motor handle avec much pillow. So you see how like the spinach and the watercress that I put in there. You see like how beautiful they are. They are well cooked in there. And nap make sure nou krasé berjen nan bien krasé avec tout chou yo. Wap jwen ti bout chou tout piti ki rete nan legume nan, but li pa un big deal. Paske mwen remen ti chou yo, le ti chou yo paret konsa nan legume nan, mwen remen la dani. So I'm pretty sure like we all learning from each other, and I hope to learn from you too. Yeah, it takes a little while to mash everything together. See, you turn it, like you see how beautiful it is. That's exactly how I want it. C'est comme ça me légumes nan ou m'boisse li avec manche pilon, ouais c'est comme ça. Okay, perfect. Look how beautiful this is. You can like actually eat this right now if you want, but you know we just have to add a little bit of more things in there. I added some Maggi, but it's up to you. If you do add Maggi to your food, go right ahead, but if you don't, you can skip that part. Just add a little salt and water, season to taste. And right now I'm adding back the meat and the carrots. The meat I removed from earlier. I added some carrots, a little bit of shrimp, a green habanero pepper. Nou mette yon ti Maggi. Sou pa mette Maggi nan manjo, just seasonen ni pour goût. Pa mette Maggi an sou pa remen. Mwen mette viande yo bak, mwen mette carotte, mwen mette yon ti piment vert pour legume nan ka gen bon ti goût. Piment vert la dan. And then I did go ahead and served it with I served the rice with I served the legume with pigeon peas rice. So mwen servi legume na avec onti diri poivette. So I will be posting a video on how I made the rice. Ma poste un video ki jan mwen fe diri an très bientôt. And look at this right here. It's so beautiful and tasty. Oh my god, the legume nan bien collé, diri an bien grene. Oh my god, sa y manje boubout. Don't forget to subscribe. Like I said before, share, support your girl, and look, a spoonful of this. Diri bien collé, manger sous table. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much for your help and support.